Hey, how's it going, everybody? Yesterday I went down to Milolii Beach Park, walked out onto the rocks, watching the surf come in. Uh, no diving. I mean, it is super rough. It was a little bit calmer in the morning. The interesting thing was the water was super warm. I couldn't believe it. It would have been perfect to go diving, but it's just too rough for me. I mean, it doesn't look that big on the camera, but some of those swells were in the back were, I would say, about 3-4 feet. But the water was not the clearest because the waves were crashing in, and some of the sets that came in were monstrous. Like that one you can see there way in the back, that's at least 4 feet. So it was really surgy too, so I decided not to go in. A little bit too dangerous for me, especially if I'm diving by myself. So I just went down, just stood on the rocks, took some pictures. I did see one boat out, but nobody fishing the rocks. It's really tough to whip in these conditions because ahead of the whitewater, usually we don't get too many bites. So hopefully the waves come back down. I really want to get back diving. Running out of fish in the freezer. It's getting down to the last couple. So I just wanted to give you guys an update of why there are no diving videos. Hopefully soon. But for now, just go back to working on our lot in Ocean View. So thanks for watching, and aloha.